Alright everybody, so I'm here at the train museum. This is the third museum today. And I'm for you. Okay, $10 for adults. Sounds pretty good, you know. Professional photography, $50 an hour. We're not doing that today. We're just gonna film our own stuff. A big tree. Pretty much railroad station. Okay. And we'll come up. I'm gonna have to wait a minute. The lady doing it's kind of busy with other stuff. How you doing?
You need to get a ticket?
Yes, ma'am.
It's $10.
Alrighty.
You're gonna swipe it right there.
Okay.
You're gonna swipe towards you. There you go. And may I get your zip code?
77017.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's the map of the museum.
Okay.
If you just put that sticker on, that way we know you paid.
Alrighty. Sounds good. Thank you.
And I'll just need a quick signature.
Okay.
You'll sign here on that one.
Okay. Alrighty.
Receipt and your ticket.
Alright. Thank you.
Thanks.
Sounds good. Sorry. Okay. So this one's not going as smooth as I thought it would because I already dropped 2 pieces of paper on the floor that I had to have. I guess I can come over here and sit by this guy. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah? Alright, so admission ticket required beyond this point. I have the ticket, so I'm not worried about it. Stuff's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool phone. Big tree. Pretty cool stuff here. Something happened to it. There's bound to be more stuff here. Stuff about California, New Mexico. There's got to be more to this museum. I'm sure there is. Just got to figure it out. Stuff about trains. Train light. Train conductor.
I think I can get there.
Those are pretty cool. Just to have. I may end up buying this. T-shirts. Classic train set. It's a little battery operated train set that the whole hook fell off of. But I think that's pretty cool. If I can see a price tag on it. $11. So I may end up buying it. I don't know. What ended up happening is this deal fell off there. Made the rest of them fall out. Just not having much luck today at this place. Here's a train set. 14-piece battery operated train set. There's some other train pieces. There's some other ones. Pocket watch. Trains down here. I'm going to set this back up there for a moment. But I'm thinking about getting it just because it's really pretty cool. There's a lot of them there, so I don't got to worry about them leaving. Train whistles. That stuff's always fun. And then out here, we have plenty of stuff to look at. Plenty of things to look at out here. Union Pacific train. It's always fun to look at. North Little Rock, Arkansas. I'm going to try to get this video done a lot quicker than the other ones, because the other ones I took the sweet time to do. These are pretty cool whistles. These are all whistles. Can't hear them anymore. How does a diesel locomotive work? Well, this is how a diesel engine works. Big piston, twice the size of the one that's in your car. Can't really see much how it works because of the glass. See more palm trees than anything. Let's go take a look at these big engines over here. Real big engines over here. That's pretty cool. But this is what I'm really fascinated with. Is how these big engines are. This engine, really massive. I mean, it's huge. These things are about 15 feet tall. They're pretty big. Actual live scale. This is not a toy. This is not a model. It's the real deal. Here's this compressor on the inside. Crankshaft down here. Got pistons in there. Here's a tractor. Essentially, it's a train, but it's had the design of a tractor. It's a case tractor. Train. Size 60. This thing is huge. This thing is really, really huge. I mean, basically, it's that big. And so, it being that big, you know,